Starting your Tesla Model 3 is keyless and straightforward. With your key card, phone via Bluetooth or key fob, simply approach the vehicle. Set up your phone as a key through the Tesla app for seamless Bluetooth connection. Once inside, press the brake pedal to activate the vehicle. For models with biometric authentication, enable fingerprint or Face ID via the Tesla app for even faster starts. Remember, the Model 3 doesn't have a traditional ignition key. It's all electronic. To properly shut down your Model 3, first shift the gear lever to park. This ensures the vehicle is stationary and safe. Then, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for about 2 seconds. This initiates the shutdown sequence. The screen will turn off, and the vehicle will enter a low-power sleep mode to conserve energy. Ensure the car is in park before attempting to shut down. Otherwise, it won't fully power off as a safety precaution. The Tesla Model 3 automatically locks its doors after you exit the vehicle and walk a short distance away. This walk-away locking feature helps ensure your car remains secure without manual intervention. This automatic locking feature is fully customizable. In the vehicle's settings menu, you can adjust the delay time before the doors lock automatically, with a default setting of 2 minutes after exiting. For manual locking, you can use the Tesla key fob. Simply press the lock button on the key fob to secure the vehicle immediately. Alternatively, you can lock the doors remotely using the Tesla mobile app. Open the app, select your vehicle, and tap the lock icon to secure it from anywhere. For enhanced security, the Tesla Model 3 uses ultrasonic sensors and cameras to monitor the surroundings. If potential intrusion is detected, the vehicle will lock its doors instantly to protect against unauthorized access. The Tesla app serves as a powerful remote control tool for your Model 3. Use it to start and shut down the vehicle from anywhere. Lock and unlock the doors remotely for added security and convenience. Monitor your car's status, including battery level, location, and alerts. The app integrates with Tesla's Energy app for preconditioning, letting you remotely start the car to warm or cool the cabin. Always keep the app updated to access the latest features and security enhancements. Sometimes you might encounter startup delays, especially in cold weather below 0 degrees Celsius. This occurs because Tesla's electric vehicle battery needs preconditioning to perform optimally in low temperatures. To address this, use the Tesla mobile app to preheat the battery before starting your car. Open the app, navigate to the climate controls, and start preconditioning. This warms the battery, reducing startup delays. If you experience persistent startup issues beyond cold weather, ensure your key card or phone is properly paired with the vehicle. Improper pairing can prevent recognition and cause failures. Another common fix is checking for software updates. Tesla regularly releases patches to address bugs and improve startup performance. Go to the touchscreen, navigate to software, and install any available updates. For more complex problems that persist after trying these steps, contact Tesla support directly. They can provide specialized assistance for your specific startup issues. Tesla's Model 3 includes several advanced security features designed to protect against theft and unauthorized access. The first layer of security is automatic locking. When you exit the vehicle, the doors automatically lock after 2 minutes to prevent unauthorized entry. This timing can be customized in the vehicle's settings for your preferences. Pin to Drive adds an extra security layer by requiring a 4-digit PIN code before the vehicle can be driven. This feature is particularly useful for shared vehicles or when using valet services, ensuring only authorized drivers can operate the car. Sentry Mode actively protects your Tesla by using the vehicle's cameras to monitor the surrounding area when parked. It can detect potential threats, record activity, and even send alerts to your phone if suspicious behavior is detected around the vehicle. The Tesla app provides real-time location tracking of your vehicle. You can view the car's current position on a map, access live tracking during trips, and review route history. This feature is invaluable for monitoring your Tesla's location and ensuring its security. Newer Tesla Model 3 vehicles offer biometric authentication through fingerprint or facial recognition. This advanced security feature allows for seamless and highly secure access to your vehicle, reducing reliance on physical keys or codes. Together, These security features provide comprehensive protection against theft and unauthorized access, giving Tesla owners peace of mind. The trend is toward full autonomy and app-centric control. Future models may integrate even more seamlessly with smart homes, allowing voice-activated startup via Alexa or other smart assistants. Biometric unlocking, such as fingerprint and facial recognition, is expected to become more prevalent. Tesla envisions a future with zero-touch operations, where AI handles start-stop based on user habits. However, cybersecurity remains a key concern, so Tesla continues to enhance security measures. In certain emergency situations, the Tesla app can be used to remotely shut down the vehicle. This feature has proven valuable in cases where a vehicle malfunctions. For example, in a 2024 incident in California, a Model 3 owner used the Tesla app to shut down a runaway vehicle due to a gear sensor glitch. Tesla's emergency protocol prevented any damage. This real-world case demonstrates the app's reliability and how Tesla's safety systems protect the vehicle and its surroundings. Stay informed about these capabilities and remember to use them responsibly to ensure safe operation. Regular software updates keep these safety features effective and up to date.